In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Close.com for SaaS sales. If you're selling a B2B SaaS product, Close works best when it's set up around your actual sales process, not just as a place to store contact records. It's especially useful for teams managing outreach, follow-ups, calls, emails, and pipeline movement in one place. So in this walkthrough, we're going to configure a simple SaaS sales pipeline you can use to track deals more clearly from first contact to final outcome. Start by logging into your Close account. Once you're inside, head over to Settings. From there, go into Customization, and then click Statuses and Pipelines. This is where you'll define the stages your leads and opportunities move through. Next, create a new pipeline. Name it SaaS Sales, then save it. Giving your pipeline a clear name makes it easier to organize reporting and helps your team stay aligned, especially if you manage more than one sales motion. Now begin adding your stages. Start with New Lead. This is for fresh prospects who have entered your system but haven't been qualified yet. After that, add Qualified. This stage is for leads that match your ideal customer profile and are worth pursuing further. Then add Discovery Scheduled. This helps you track leads who have agreed to an initial conversation. After that, add Discovery Completed, which marks that the first needs-based conversation has already happened and you've gathered more context. Next, create Demo Scheduled and then Demo Completed. These stages are useful for keeping visibility on product presentations and knowing who has already seen the solution in action. After that, add Trial Started for prospects who are actively testing your product. This stage is especially valuable in SaaS because product usage often becomes a key buying signal. Continue by adding Proposal Sent. This is where formal pricing or commercial terms have been shared. Then add Negotiation, which is for deals where terms, scope, or pricing are still being discussed. Finally, add Closed Won and Closed Lost. These two stages help you accurately measure conversion rates and understand outcomes across the pipeline. In many B2B SaaS teams, keeping around 5 to 7 actively used stages works well, as long as each one has a clear definition for when a deal should move forward. Once your pipeline is complete, create custom fields to capture the information your sales team needs. For lead fields, include company size, industry, annual revenue, number of employees, website, country, current CRM, and lead source. For opportunity fields, add monthly recurring revenue, annual contract value, contract length, expected close date, number of users, product plan, and renewal date. For contact fields, include job title, department, decision maker, technical contact, and buying role. After that, you can begin sending cold emails to your leads and managing your SaaS sales process inside Close with much better structure and visibility. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.